on this bowl today. It goes away at the end of the day. Only day at this price, and there is no reorder. This is your summertime table staple. Whether you're using it for a centerpiece, whether you're using it for baking, your stoneware can handle all of it. But you know what? This shape is oval. Why should the gravy boat at Thanksgiving have all the fun? Why not enjoy that great shape year round? And we have 2 selections for you in Old World and 2 selections for you in Floral Lace. But this is basket weave. And so there's a lot of beautiful hand detailing here. But this is the 4-quart bowl. You get the 2 servers along with it. Now, I'm gonna dive in. I know, it just makes me happy. We're gonna go down in front, show you the choices. There's a big oval. Now, this is Old World. We're starting here. Down on the side, you'll see this is Old World Firework Fetty. Red, white, and blue with that beautiful tea staining in the basket weave there.
Oh, so beautiful.
So gorgeous. Then continuing on in Old World with Ocean Fetty. Only 500 remain here. Now, next we have Floral Lace. That's your firework in the Floral Lace, red, white, and blue. 800 remain there, most popular. Then we have the Floral Lace Summer, where you get the teals and the beautiful tea staining there. Only 500 remain there. Only day at this price.
Wow.
It's less than $40. Wait a minute. Our standard price is $55. Our today only price is $39.98. That goes away at the end of the day. It's on 3 easy payments of $13.33. Basket weave is so textural. Tara, this is one of my faves.
So I have to tell you, there's a couple of things I love in summertime, which is why we did it in 4 of our seasonal patterns. Seasonal patterns are only available now. If we do lose them, we won't see them back until this time, if at all. We don't always continue with everything. But this is what I love, what you have in your hands. This, to me, is summertime all day. Corn on the cob, hot dogs, hamburgers. Bowls don't have to just be, especially our bowls, just a bowl. They can be a baker. They can be a serving platter. They can be a centerpiece, as you mentioned. But the beauty truly is in our basket weave, the layer upon layer of sculptural detail, and then the workmanship that goes into each one, the tea staining on the basket, the embossing and hand painting that's applied to it, the interior color and painting that you're seeing there. And I love, Mary, that 4 quarts, the helper handles make it super easy to come in and out of the oven. By the way, the gloves you're wearing are also available. A little different than our mitts that we were showing you earlier.
Own 3 sets.
I love.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, no. If you want to,
it's always like, can you get the kitchen mitts? I'm like, yeah, we have like 500 pairs. Sure, they're everywhere.
You like that patriotic vibe? You can carry it through on your mitts. But by the way, speaking of patriotic vibe, does it get any more Americana than my beautiful firework fetty bowl with cherry cobbler on the inside? Seriously?
Yes, exactly. Look how beautiful that is. First of all, there is all the hand painting detail. Do you realize that every blue stroke you see there is one brush stroke? Every red is another brush stroke. These are not mass produced. So what's nice about these is all individually hand painted. But if you're new to stoneware, naturally non-stick. So pull that right away from the side. This is the largest bowl we've offered in basket weave. It's what we call our centerpiece kind of silhouette. So it's a lower profile in the front and flares out and up. It's absolutely stunning. And then, of course, we complement it with the 2 serving tools that come with it. Stainless steel with the stoneware handles as well. These all go right in the dishwasher. They go in the oven up to 500 degrees. And we had so much fun doing our seasonal pieces because we've heard from so many of you that maybe you don't want the full collection, but you definitely want a piece or 2 that you can mix in when you are in your backyard, when you are doing things. I had the cold, sister.
Oh, you have it.
I had it.
Hit
I
it.
brought out my
I was
salad.
hunting. Wait a minute. Let's see the cold. I was looking for a Cobb salad. I'm like, wait a minute. Where's the? It's at Tara's house. Take a look.
I have it. See, this is the new dynamic too. You have some demos there. I have some demos here. I mean, together we'll figure it all out. But I just came out with a cold shrimp salad. And what I love is that it's nice and cold. There's a ton in here, 4 quart capacity. Helper handles here make it super easy. Look how beautiful this bowl is. And everything coordinates and it's stoneware. So you know, you can put it through the paces and not have to worry about it. Hot things hotter longer, cold things colder longer, because this is the other option, right? This is what we put things out in. This is totally utilitarian to me. It serves one purpose. When you figure that you can mix in here, you can bake in here, you can serve in here, and you can store in here, that's why we've been here for over 18 years sharing this incredible brand with all of you.
I'm eyeballing that all a flutter pattern on your counter that is coming up in the show.
And do you see the yellow over my shoulder?
Yes, I do. And inside, losing my marbles. Externally, I want you to know that in the floral lace, in that red, white, and blue Americana that we love, there are now 500 remaining. Floral lace, this is fireworks. So I want you to see that, yes, you have the floral lace motif on the inside, but it's designed with fireworks. But then on the outside, you see your floral lace now takes the form of fireworks. That is by far moving the quickest. So please don't wait on that floral lace firework. Next to it is the floral lace summer. And I want you to see on the inside there how in the floral lace summer, you've got little shells and starfish and almost like an undulating wave going in that floral lace pattern. But then on the outside, you still get all of that basket weave tea staining, so textural. And I know I'm a big old tactile cat anyway, but it feels so beautiful on the outside. That is the floral lace summer. Diving on over one to show you the old world options. This is Ocean Fetty, and you've got the old world pattern there on the inside and out. And then at the very end, that's old world firework Fetty. This is a today only price.
Love it.
No reorder, and this price goes away at the end of the day. Not only do you get the 4-quart salad bowl, which you can use for so many things, you also get 2 servers. And so this is one that there is no reorder. And to your point again, when we see seasonal patterns like summer choices, get them while we have them. I have been here for almost 13 years now, and I've had Temp-tations on my table for every single one of those years. But I have learned the hard way that if you wait, you miss out on your favorites. And so there is no reorder on this bowl. So Tara, oh my gosh, I hope folks are ordering right now.
Yeah, so I almost treat it as a limited edition, right? Because it is probably at the lowest price, right? And we are retiring it. There's no reorder on it. That's what we love about our seasonal pieces. We bring them in. We don't bring in a ton of them. We bring them in specifically for this time of year. And then once they're gone, I'm on to developing more for next year. So look at your hot dogs and hamburgers. Look at the way you can centertain and tuck a citronella candle in there if you wanted to and bring it out to the deck. Look at the fact that you can bake bread in here as well as doing cobblers. You saw we have a shrimp salad. This is that go-to bowl that forget about the glass, forget about the metal. This is a stoneware piece that is going